The second phase of step 4 is to conduct the full-scale literature search. This involves a more detailed application of the 5 search strategies you learned about earlier in this lecture. It also involves identifying all of the relevant insights, or at least a comprehensive collection of them. Just like in the previous phase, we are not biased in favor of one insight or discipline over the others. We are more interested in disciplinary breadth and depth than we were in the initial phase. Disciplinary breadth refers to how many disciplines have written on a specific topic. Disciplinary depth refers to the number, the quality, and the variety of disciplinary insights on the topic. To do this, we essentially immerse ourselves in the literature and, at the very least, develop baseline knowledge about the topic. Interdisciplinary experts will try to master the information within each discipline.